Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we are staying at the Hyatt House.
Hyatt House is located at 1800 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is a 13-minute walk or 0.6 of a mile to the gates of Disneyland. Hyatt House is rated number 25 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. Conveniently located on property are Walgreens, Starbucks, Blaze Pizza, and Yang's Chicken and Rice. Included with your stay is a hot complimentary breakfast. We paid for this room out of our own pocket.
We booked a family suite here at the Hyatt House, which is located at the corner of Harbor and Katella. It includes a king bed, a bunk bed, and a double pull-out bed in the couch. This work area here is really nice. It includes an Ethernet cord and 4 power outlets, enough to charge all your devices. Just remember to bring your USB chargers. There are none in this room. Like I said earlier, there are no USBs in the room, but each of these lamps on both sides of the bed have a power outlet right here. What is really nice about this room, it has nightstands on both sides of the bed, so there's no arguments on who gets the nightstand. What I love most about this room is the privacy adults can have. Behind me, these double doors open up to a bunk bed and a double bed on the couch. In the kids' room, you have a bunk bed here. Over here, you do have a TV and a dresser. The room itself is actually kind of dark here, and I was a little shocked when I came in here. I was looking for a light switch, and there is only one light in this area, and that's located over here in the corner. The bunk bed will actually fit a full-size adult. I laid down in it to make sure I am 6 foot tall and I had a few inches to spare, and it was comfortable, and I think an adult would be very happy sleeping on the bottom bunk. Obviously, an adult can fit on the top. Not many of us want to get up on the top bunk, but it is doable. Now here's the couch, and this is the only light in this room that I was talking about. So this room is dark, and if you want to read or anything like that, it'd be really hard in this room. Now this couch here does pull out, and there is a pull-out bed. So this room does sleep quite a bit more people, which is nice, and it can accommodate larger families. I just pulled out the bed, and this is definitely a bed a kid will want to sleep on. I could feel the springs in the cushion. It's thin, so a full-size adult probably wouldn't be thrilled with this bed. However, kids will be just fine here. One thing I wish this room was reversed. I wish the adults slept in this area and the kids slept in the main room closest to the hallway. I am a light sleeper, and so any noise from the hallway actually keeps me awake at night. What I really like about this room is the amount of storage in here. Not only are there 2 drawers in here, there is a dresser in the other room with the bunk beds and the double pull-out bed. You do have a microwave, coffee maker, ice bucket, and a refrigerator in here. This is a nice bathroom. It includes 1 sink, a tub shower combination, and it includes this shower curtain that kind of swings out a little bit so you get a little extra room in here. The shower is clean and bright. In this closet here, you have a safe, 1 luggage rack, plenty of hangers and extra bedding, iron, and an ironing board. Check out our room experience at the Hyatt House, which will be posted later after this. If you want to check out a similar hotel, go ahead and click the link here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.